Unveiling Dark Psychology, Understanding and Safeguarding Against Manipulation. Hello, welcome, lower back to Inspiring Life Sarab, the place wherein we delve into the depths of the thoughts. Today we've got a topic this is each exciting and a piece on the mysterious aspect, dark psychology. But earlier than we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never leave out on our mind-bending content material. Now let's get commenced. The power of understanding human psychology. We're all inquisitive about the human mind proper, understanding how humans suppose why they act the manner they do. It is like unlocking the secrets and techniques of the universe. But with excellent electricity comes outstanding obligation. Fluctuations and Contradictions, the art of influence. Now allow speak approximately an effective component of dark psychology, manipulating through fluctuations and contradictions. It's now not approximately playing thoughts video games. It's about expertise, the subtleties of human interplay. By developing uncertainty, you could make someone hooked on your presence. Emphasizing the negative control without confrontation. Ever puzzled a way to advantage manage without direct confrontation? It's about emphasizing the terrible elements of a person's character. Now, I'm not announcing it's ethical, but it is crucial to recognize these strategies to protect yourself in opposition to them. A word of caution. Before you pass trying these methods, I want to throw in a word of caution. These strategies may be robust, but they arrive with a value. Using them on individuals with high values and focus can backfire. Remember, understanding is power, and with amazing electricity comes superb duty. Prioritizing mental health and healthy relationships. Now, as we are delving into those intriguing elements of psychology, it is essential to prioritize intellectual health and healthy relationships. The actual energy lies in information, not manipulating. Use this information responsibly and continually prioritize moral behavior. That wraps up cutting-edge exploration into the area of dark psychology. Remember to hit that like button if you observed this video insightful, and percentage it with a person you think may gain from it. And as usually, cope with your thoughts and each other.